Good afternoon. So here we will see the parallel programming, the data which are required for programming the parallel port interfacing. So this diagram shows the interfacing of 8051 with DAC. We have already seen the interfacing of 8051 with DAC. But this DAC is 0808. Now the DAC 08, this is a top view. So there are 16 pins. The pin number 1 is VLC, pin number 16 is COM, pin number 2 is out pin, so there are 4 MSB pins, that is B1, B2, B3, B4, that is most significant bit pins, and LSB least significant bits. These pins are B5, 6, 7. Sorry, there is a 1 MSB pin, that is B1, 1 LSB, that is B8. Sorry for mistake. Now this diagram shows the interfacing of the 8051 with a DAC. So in between that, the 10 kilo ohm resistor is used, which is connected to the VCC. The 10 kilo ohm resistor is connected from port P1.0 to P1.7 pins to the A1 to A8 pins of the DAC. Now this program, here is the program to generate the triangular wave. Now so at 0 0 it is at the original position, 0 position. At FF it is at the high point, that is 1, or we can say rise. So move P1 comma A. Now A has value which 0 0, which is given above. So increment A, then CJNE 0 FFH, that is rise. So it will rise to FFH and reverse. Now the sine wave generation. So here this table shows the angles in the degree, sine theta, count. All these calculations are given here. So this program is for the generation of sine wave. So here also the starting address to store the calculated values on the address from the 30H. 30H, it is the starting address. It is used to store the calculated values on the address from the 30H. So 128 move to the register R0, then it is incremented. 192, 239 all are transferred to the register R0, and then these all registers are incremented, and so on. Now the move R0 30H. So this shows the different values and the sine wave. Next is the stepper motor. We have already seen the stepper motor also. Now this diagram shows the stepper motor structure. So outside it's a motor case, then the coils are there, A and B, A dash and B dash. Then at the center there is a rotor, that is permanent magnet, which is rotating. So this is a two-phase permanent magnet or type stepper motor. Now this is a full stepper motor for full step at a time. The logic one is given to the two coils. Then for half stepper there is a alternating, that is for first step if it is a wave drive, then for second step it will be full drive. In this way the working of half step is carried out, and so it is a combination of the wave drive and the full drive. Now this diagram shows the interfacing. So we have already seen this interfacing diagram, that ULN 2003 is used. So what is the use of this? It is a current driver which is used for the current amplification, as the 8051 doesn't provide enough current for the to run the stepper motor. For that purpose the ULN 2003 IC is used for the current amplification. Now this diagram shows the ULN 2003 driver IC. Different pins are there. There are 7 input pins, 7 output pins, and one is ground, one is VCC. Now this diagram shows the interfacing using ULN 2003 to the 8051 and the unipolar stepper motor. So for writing a program, the motor angle has a step angle of 1.8 degree. One step means 1.8 degree. So there are 117 steps, or we can say 200 steps. And this is a program. The starting address is 38 is given. Store the calculated values. Thank you.